Tinyere ha ọgbaghara, tinyere ha ọgbaghara, unyere ha ọgbaghara, unyere ha ọgbaghara, Chukwu okike abịa ma unyere ha ọgbaghara, uhere ha ọgbaghara, tinyere ha ọgbaghara, tinyere ha ọgbaghara, unyere ha ọgbaghara, unyere ha ọgbaghara, Chukwu okike abịa ma unyere ha ọgbaghara, unyere ha ọgbaghara. Hey, ụmụ Chineke, ekene m unu. I greet everyone in the mighty name of Chukwu okike abịa. I've been sitting by on my computer right here in the garden with my key to connect to the internet and I've tried all to connect so that I'll go live, but it didn't let me. So I had to record this so that I'll post it for this morning, and I'm going to make it as quick as I can because I have a video to show actually, but unfortunately I couldn't download the video to be able to show. But all the same, we are airborne. There's something I just remembered now, which if I remembered earlier, it would have been better for me to have at least had that video here, and I'll be able to play it. I'll be able to play it for us from this other phone. But I didn't quite remember. I would have connected with the mobile internet. But that's notwithstanding. We have seen the video. If we have not seen it, we're going to see it because I also am going to post that video, which our Prime Minister have posted, and I shared it also. So, every one of these criminal politicians in Biafra land that we have given a vote of no confidence, they have all been displaying their evil and diabolic potential. You know, what they learned from the zoo. You know, what the zoo teaches them is how to steal, to kill, and to destroy. That's what they learned from the zoo. To steal, to kill, and to destroy. That's exactly what they learned from the zoo. All right, let me see. I think I have that video here. All right, let me put my speaker here very close to the phone, and let's see if we will be able to see this video. All right, let me raise the volume.
Do you know who I am?
Okay, listen.
Do you know where you are?
Listen. Wait.
Do you know who I am?
Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. I'm going to pause.
My money. With the way you have spoken to me, I did a job for you and you have to pay.
Wait.
You will not see any. You will not see a penny from where you are. Do you know who I am? Just a minute. So you think I will give you my money with the way you have spoken to me? I did a job for you and you have to pay it. Sir. You will not see any. You will not see a penny from me. With this level of disrespect, you're very stupid. Very, very stupid. Madam, who is this stupid boy that you sent to this my house? Who is this foolish boy that you sent to my house? How can this stupid idiot come to my house and tell me that I'm supposed to come and meet him in this car and pick up snails that I'm buying from you? Can you imagine this rat? I can make this man to disappear with the whole Nigeria and nothing will happen. Can you imagine this rat? I'm not going to give this boy 1 naira of my money. No. I'm not going to give this silly boy 1 naira of my money.
And you've been insulting me, and I'm being quiet.
I pray that you do. I pray that you insult me. Can you please insult me? I'm not going to call my policemen to beat you up. I will beat you up. I will show you that I'm a big brother to you. I will slap the hell out of you and I will lie you down, lock you in my generator house. How dare you?
Why should you do that?
What the hell do you know who you're talking to? Do you know where you are? Because you saw me sitting outside here.
It doesn't matter, sir. Pay me, let me go.
Look at this monkey.
I don't care what I
Are you even looking at me that you can beat me? Or are you looking at me? What? Who the hell do you think you're talking to? Do you know who I am? I'm a senator of this republic. Do you know who the fuck I am? How dare you?
Are you slapping me, sir?
You see this place? You suffer. I'll deal with you.
Are you slapping me, sir?
I just did. Slap me back. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you?
That's fine.
Do you know who I am?
That's fine.
How dare you?
Did you just slap me 3 times, sir?
Twice. The third one, you should receive it. How dare you? Come on, get out of this place.
I need my payment, sir.
Come on, please.
Alright, so this is where I am. I just got 3 slaps from this man. Here. Just because I told him to come and get his stuff and pay me my money. So he's claiming that
Tell them, my name is Honorable Alex Igbo. I'm a member of the House of Reps. Tell them, I slapped you.
Okay.
Call the Inspector General of Police. Call him, let him come.
Okay, sir.
Record me very well.
Alright. That's nice.
You came to my house to disrespect me?
I didn't disrespect you. I said pay me my money and let me leave.
Come on, give me that phone.
Did you see that? Member of the House of Rep, Alex Ikwechi. Alex Ikwechi, member of the House of Rep. This guy forgot that we have given him a vote of no confidence. These are the people that have sworn that Biafra will never come. Do you know who I am? Do you know where you are? I will make you disappear in this Nigeria. It is only in Nigeria that you make people disappear and nobody cares. It is only in Nigeria that someone can be kidnapped and everybody will just talk small and keep quiet. It's only in Nigeria that somebody will be locked up after committing crime of extraordinary rendition and after kidnap. 4 years almost coming through. And what these criminal politicians are doing is going to snap picture and showing us and telling us to stop doing what you are doing. We know what to do after 4 years. These are the bunch of criminals. Bunch of them. The only thing this idiot knows to do is round one. Go. That's the only thing they do. They don't do anything. Criminals. You see it? He slapped the young man. And he knew he was being recorded. And he dared the Inspector General of Police. He said, report to the Inspector General of Police. He's a member of House of Rep, but he said he's a senator of this republic. Is he a senator? He's not a senator. He's a rep. Because he knows that a criminal like him will definitely end up in the Senate and eventually become a governor. In Nigeria system, that is why every one of you must file up behind us to end this impunity and to become Biafra. And become Biafra that we have sought for. And end the impunity in Nigeria. Submerge it completely and make sure it is forgotten. Because this kind of evil will never be supported anywhere in the world. There's nowhere in the world this kind of evil will be supported. And that's why Chukwuokike Abiama is putting confusion in their midst, exposing them. And even though this one knew he was being recorded, he didn't care. Because, the likes of him, people vanish and disappear every day. For him to even be saying, do you know who I am? I can make you disappear. And he asked him, do you know where you are? So that is a place where people disappear, where evil takes place and nothing happens. He said he will command his police, so the police is now his own. He said now, instead of him to command his police, he will be the one to deal with this boy. So police that are being paid with taxpayers' money can be commanded to make people disappear, and they will be paid some extra money to pocket, and then nothing happens. This one was happening in Abia. And thank God he's saying Abia. He's Alex Ikwechi from Abia. But Abia does not exist anymore. There are now 4 states that have been carved out from the old Abia states. You know, everything about Nigeria, we must make sure it ends from our subconscious. Everything about them is old, outdated, obsolete from us. People around the world, those that love freedom and justice, you watch this video and see what we represent. All these people that line up on the internet, like the Igwe Nwachi Nemene or Nwachi Ekwensu, that is fighting up and saying that we will be on the defense. We will never be on the defense. We are now on the attack. We are prowling like a wounded lion. We are attacking the enemies of Biafra. It is these people that have given you money to be on the internet attacking the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic. They are the one that will be on the defense. Looking for how to polish your image, because your image can never scent good. It is dirty and will remain dirty forever and ever. But for Biafra, we have emerged and we will blossom, we will flourish, and we will remain in the Committee of Nations as a country that have come to save lives and to make sure that there is something good that will be seen from Africa. Did you see that? Yeah, that happened in Nigeria. But we are making sure that that place where he's doing that thing as a Nigerian will never have a semblance of Nigeria again. We're just counting days. We are counting days. A matter of days. Today now, is it not 20? What's the date of today? Today is 28th of October. We are counting days. In the next 1 month, we'll be in Finland. And 2 or 3 days after then, we'll make a declaration. And the whole world will hear it, because it's going to roar. It's going to roar like thunder. Yes, it will roar like thunder. And as it roars, people in America will hear it. In Australia, they will hear it. In Brazil, they will hear it. In Asia, they will hear it. In Europe, they will hear it. All over Africa will hear it. That Biafra have come back, and Biafra have come this time to stay forever and ever. And light defeats darkness in Biafra, and that darkness will never rise again. My name is Rafael Chamaka Ajere. I am Pastor Van Van Van, Deputy Minister of Communications, Biafra Republic Government in Esa. You know why I'm called Van Van Van? This is because people like this, Alex Ikwe Guinea, also Ikwe Quinsu, Ikwa Jomwo, will never live to see the light of Biafra, because they are evil. Look at him. Look at him. Look at that. If you see him, you will just know that this one is an imported foolishness, imported evil. It doesn't represent Biafra. It doesn't represent good. It doesn't represent light. It's just evil. Because how can you threaten somebody that came to supply you goods? Come and carry your goods and give me money. Simple. That person was assigned to deliver goods to you, and your own is to carry it and pay him. Simple. If you want him to help you bring it, you say, my friend, help me to bring it in now, so that I will pay you. Are you not here again? No, for him, no. Do you know who you are? Who I am? Do you know where you are? I will make you disappear. Now, we shall see who will disappear. But we know that in the zoo, because for him to have the courage and the guts to even threaten the IG of police, it means he can do such a thing and get away with it. In Nigeria, he will. But in Biafra, no. That's why, because the space where he's operating is in Biafra space, we are going to make sure we eject him out of that space. That unrighteousness will never exist in Biafra. Until I see you again in my next video, airborne. I'm posting this because my internet didn't come live for me to deliver this message live and get other people to comment. But please engage on the comment section and let everyone know that Biafra has come to stay. And Biafra is the hope of the common man. Biafra is the hope of Biafrans. And even those that are not Biafrans, it is their hope. Because the Bible says that the name of the Lord is a strong tower. The righteous runneth into it and they are saved. And those that are seeking after righteousness, they will run into it and they are saved. The same thing, Biafra is a strong tower, is a secured fortress. Those that are running away from the oppression of the zoo, people like this young man that have been oppressed, and if it is not for Biafra that is coming, nothing will be done about what just happened to this man. But because of Biafra, he is going to be vindicated and he will be saved, because he needs to run into Biafra. Yes, this evil are being brought to bear. If it is not because God wants to punish him, want to punish this Alex, he would have known that this record will go viral and that he will be in trouble, in soup. Yes, not because it is Nigeria that will put him in soup. It is because it is Biafra I will put him in soup. And that soup over in na oga ha putania ruo ebi. Airborne!